YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Metal Man here. It is a rainy Christmas Eve, so I'm going to go ahead and do a quick little project. I saw a last minute need for something we're going to need for Christmas Day. So I figured I'd take this 3-foot 1/2 inch round stock and take care of that need. So I'm going to go ahead and get the forge hot, get this in there and get to working. So yeah, stay tuned and see you when it's hot. Alright, first we're going to start by cutting this into 3 1-foot sections, so stay tuned. Alright YouTube, so I'm going to bring all these out and see where we're at as far as uniformity. They don't have to be perfect, it's got to be close. Alright, and I would say they are close. So I'm going to let these cool down. I'm going to shape up these ends on my belt sander. Get a nice decorative shape that I want. And then after I get that done, I'll bring you back, so stay tuned. Alright YouTube, so here they are after the forging. You haven't guessed what they are right now, but they're hooks. So we're going to go inside and set them up and show you what they're going to be used for. I'm not going to oil them. They're going to be inside. I have some beeswax that I'll rub them down with cold in the house just to kind of preserve them. They're not going to be outside ever, so I'm going to leave them in a natural finish here. So you go ahead and take them inside. We're going to set them up, and then we'll show you what they look like when they're all done. So stay tuned.